Hey guys, I'm Colleen at Wilderness Voyageurs, and today we're going to talk about what to wear for whitewater rafting in cold weather. So first off, what is cold weather for rafting? We tend to think about that as anything under 70 degrees, because when you're out there on the water, you are going to get splashed, and that river water tends to be a lot colder than the air. So you want to make sure that you're prepared with enough layers to keep you as warm and dry as possible throughout your trip. Our number one rule is that you do not wear anything cotton, because cotton tends to soak up water and it doesn't dry very fast. So on a really chilly day, that could put you at risk for hypothermia. What we recommend are lightweight, quick drying layers of materials like polyester, wool, spandex, or neoprene that can get wet and release the water throughout the trip so that you don't have water against your skin. So I'm wearing what I would wear to go whitewater rafting on a chilly day. For my base layer, that's the one against my skin, I have on a lightweight running top. And for my bottoms, I have on a pair of polyester hiking pants. On my feet, I'm wearing a pair of heavy wool socks. If you don't have wool socks, you can also wear something synthetic, just as long as it's not cotton. And a pair of old running shoes that stay on my feet and can get wet. If you don't have running shoes that you want to wear in the river, or a pair of sandals that won't fall off your feet, you can buy from us at check-in a pair of inexpensive water shoes just like this. Over top of all that, if it's really chilly, I would wear a fleece as an insulating mid-layer. And then on top of that, I have on a lightweight rain jacket. And this can be anything from a waterproof rain jacket to just something like a windbreaker. And that's essentially just to keep the splashes off of you and to help insulate you if it gets a little bit windy on the river. We also rent, when you check in for your rafting trip, what's called a splash jacket. And that's essentially just a windbreaker for paddling. On really cold days, we often do require that you wear a wetsuit. And if you don't have one of your own, you can rent one just like this. This is a Farmer John style wetsuit, so it has full legs and just the body here. And that nice thick neoprene is going to keep your core really warm. Even if it gets wet, it'll still keep reflecting heat back onto you to keep you warm. And underneath this, you can wear something like a swimsuit, or you can wear tights with it, just nothing cotton. Over all that, you're going to have your PFD that we issue everybody. This is made of a nice thick foam, so that also will keep you warm. And on top of that, you have a helmet. If you want to wear something like a baseball cap to keep the sun out of your eyes, that's fine. Or if it's chilly out, you can also wear a lightweight fleece or a wool cap. These are adjustable, so they'll accommodate a lot of different hat sizes. So our last tip for you is that you bring a set of warm and dry clothes for after your rafting trip, so that when you get back to our base, you can change into some nice warm clothes and get your core temperature back up if you did get a little bit chilly on the river. So just to wrap up, if you're coming whitewater rafting with us on a chilly day, you want to make sure that you're prepared with the right gear so that you can stay warm and dry on your rafting trip. So that's no cotton, lightweight, quick dry materials, and shoes that won't fall off your feet. And if you're missing any of that, you can always rent or buy from us at check-in. Thanks.